Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be showing you a free traffic method, and it's from a website called Quora. So to get to the Quora site, just open up your browser and type in www.quora.com. So here I am on the Quora site. So what is Quora? Well, it's basically a site where people ask questions for all kinds of things, and you can reply and answer. So if you find a question that you're kind of knowledgeable about, then go and put a reply there. And you can also provide links back to your blog or your YouTube video, things like that. What you cannot do is place an affiliate link on here. That could get you banned. I mean, at the very least, they'll just remove the post and say that you broke their rules. So don't post affiliate links in your posts here. But I'll show you the best way to do this. If you want to search for a particular niche with questions to answer, you just come up here at the top and you could type, for example, affiliate marketing. If that's what you're interested in, then you could just search for that. I spelt it slightly wrong. Silly me. Okay, let's try that. Affiliate marketing. Here we go. So these are all the questions people have posted. Now, you might want to filter these out, because what you don't want to do is you don't want to answer questions which have gone too far back. So you can go back here. If you look down here, it says by time, and you've got the various ranges here. Now it can go back to the past year. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. You can still answer questions in the past year, because everything is going to add up. All the backlinks you can get to your site, it's all going to add up, and people will pop in and out of those questions even if they're a year old and take a look, and you can still get traffic that way. But personally, I prefer to go for things which are a little bit more current, because I know that people are going to be looking at those on a regular basis, and that's more likely to get me the instant traffic. So I would look at things like the past hour, the past day, the past week, possibly sometimes the past month, but these are basically the ones I would look at and, you know, to answer questions from. So if I took, for example, the past hour, click on that, and let's see what we get. So there's quite a few here. This question was posted in the last 44 minutes. So I could go in there and answer that. And there's other ones here. How can we start affiliate marketing? How can we grow in affiliate marketing business? How can I earn money in affiliate marketing? All kinds of things you could go in here and answer and get traffic back to your website. So if you find any question that you feel you can answer, all you need to do is just click on this answer button here and just type in your answer. And you can also add images there, you can format things, you can add your link with this button here. You enter the URL of your blog or your YouTube video, and then you'll just post it onto here. You can also create your own question. So if you want something answered, you could write up a question. People will come in and answer it. That's another way of doing things. So here's a post that somebody made a few minutes ago on Quora, and I decided to place an answer on this post. So it says, somebody asked the question, how do I add an affiliate link on a website? So I've just come in and basically told them how to do this, and I've literally just gone onto my website and done a couple of screen grabs. So I put some images in here to help flesh out the document a little more. And at the bottom here, I've put, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, please check out my blog. So this is a hyperlink here, which will take them to my blog. So that will get me some traffic. Now this is a fairly short answer. I couldn't really write a lot for this one. So normally I would recommend writing a lot more than this. But it all helps, you know. I mean, it's another answer I've given and another backlink for my site here. So everything helps. It doesn't matter really whether it's short answer or a long answer. That's fine. I mean, it's good enough, I think. And if there are other ones that you can answer which will require a longer reply, a longer answer, then take those. But these small ones can add up as well. It's all good. You want to also set up your profile properly and add a photo in there as well. You can also add your Facebook or your Twitter accounts in here if you have anything like that. So make sure you add a profile and a good description about yourself. Now down the side here you've got what are known as spaces, and these are like personal blogs that people can create on Quora for themselves. So whatever your niche is, you can create one around that. So there's ones here for affiliate marketing, make money online, YouTube, digital marketing, make money online, all types of things are here. And if you come up here, you can create your own space by clicking this. But if we look in one of them, for example, make money online, you can see here it's almost like a personal blog that you can create on Quora. So people can follow you, and obviously this is going to be a good way to generate traffic as well for you. So people can follow you. You can put your own questions on here. People can come in and answer. And this is a great way of getting more traffic back to your YouTube or your blog or whatever you want to do. So you can create your own space on Quora and have your own sort of following as well. So this one's got quite a large following, as you can see. A lot of contributors to it there as well. So it's well worth setting up a Quora space. So I hope that's given you some idea of what Quora marketing can do for your business. Thanks for watching.